For these two examples, we're going to graph the functions, and these happen to be parabolas. We probably want to identify the vertex and any x-intercepts or y-intercepts. So for this first parabola, I noticed that we could actually factor out an x. So then I would have x times the quantity of negative x plus 1. So I can identify my x-intercepts. I have x-intercepts when p of x is equal to 0. Since x-intercepts have a y-coordinate of 0. So this function will equal 0 when x is 0 and when x is 1, since negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So far I have those 2 points on my parabola, those two x-intercepts. And the other thing we would want to identify is the vertex. So remember, the vertex is at negative b over 2a. So we'd have 1, so negative 1 over 2 times negative 1. So our b is 1, our a is negative 1. So this ends up being negative 1 over negative 2, or 1/2. So our vertex is halfway between our two x-intercepts. So our two x-intercepts are at 0 and 1. And our vertex has a y-coordinate of 1/2. When I find p of 1/2 and substitute 1/2 in place of x, we end up with a value of 1/4. So I put in 1/2 for x here, a 1/2 for x here, and do the calculation. I have 1/4. So this would be the point here. We'll say 1/2, 1/4. That'd be our vertex. So this is a quick little sketch of the parabola represented by p of x. X-intercepts at 0, 1, vertex at 1/2, 1/4.